So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in Bluetooth and other device settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to turn off Bluetooth and then turn it back on again. And if your mouse is appearing right here, you want to unpair it and then pair it again. If you don't see your mouse, then you want to click on add device and then click on Bluetooth. Make sure that you have your mouse on pairing mode. It should then appear right here and you can then add it. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to replace or recharge your mouse batteries. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find Bluetooth support service. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. See if that works for you. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, it's going to be saying Bluetooth for you. You want to expand Bluetooth. Once you find your Bluetooth driver, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, you can click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Once this comes up, click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works. And you can also expand mouse and other points and devices. If you do see your Bluetooth mouse right here, you can right click on it and then click on update. And you can update your mouse as well. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.